The product TRAZ is the new starting point for us as we look forward to launching more exciting models and more prosperous future, not just to our two companies, but also between Malaysia and Japan. This model also means that Product and Daihatsu will be actively working together on future projects moving forward.
It is a SUV that Malaysian is waiting for. A product is really something between Ativa and Alza. It should meet the purpose of the why we introduced this model. It provides a very good space for luggage and cabin. Another feature is excellent of the fuel consumption. If you can see this vehicle having the same specification between the H and X, we are no compromise in safety matters.
Our difficulties currently because we have different kind of underbody platform and also upper body platform. Design structure different. We continue discuss, especially with R&D, so that we can have design change to suit our process, especially on the PMSB unit process. We can secure our process quality and process workability in terms of our safety, quality and delivery. He's highly supportive in this project, especially on the guiding our members, so that we can have early scale up on this new model project development.
PA アッセンブリーは、アマルさんをはじめすごく車両の知識であったり設備の知識であったりすごくレベルが高いなというふうに感じています。できることは少ないですけど、日々彼らが直面している問題であったりとかっていうのを拾い上げて、できる限り全力を尽くすっていうことを今心がけてやっています。
We are in charge starting from die maker selection, procurement, and also in terms of our dice design review, drawing checking, including the quality build up, whether it is from a maker trial stage up to the homeland trial. We track and also tackle the problem related to the space along with the new model development to ensure that this space preparation and capacity preparation go along the way with the new model development, so that all will not delay and monitor timely. Because in doing our new model development, we need to benchmark all other plants inside the MC group. Nakajima-san support, I think very easy for us to get other plant information for our benchmark.
新人がかなり大多数を占めるというところで、このプロジェクトの進め方だったり人材の育成のどうしていくかっていうのを、両方、いろいろ悩みながら進めてこられたのじゃないかなとは思ってます。いかに効率よく進めていけるかっていうところを、アドバイスしたり助力したりっていうので、かけながら支えて進んできたプロジェクトでした。
We have two items to evaluate. First, we prepare on the documentation and also CBU evaluation. Prepare on the vehicle inspection specification, part inspection specification, and also sampling check sheet. And after that, we will do the CBU evaluation for every stage of the trial, from WTAK until Hinkaku. From WTAK until FCB, so we managed to issue 20 Monran, and all the Monran finish and have clear countermeasure before we go to the next stage. And also all the problem list, and also we have a clear countermeasure before we go to the next stage of the trial stage. For the during SOP and VIS confirmation, also I need DMC member to confirm with DMC plan how they do on the SOP, how to check some particular item.
VIS vs SOP の活動はとても時間がかかりまして、なかなかこのままやったら終わらへんぞっていうタイミングの時は一緒に付き合ってもらって最後まで完結することができました。I would say we are able to meet a great start, so we are one team, right?
はい。
人望がありますね、すごく。みんなから好かれてる。で、頼られてる。そんな感じがします。
ビリヤニは比較的日本人でも食べやすいんで、おすすめです。あったら絶対取るようにしてます。すごく信頼を置いて、仕事を任せていけてます。
A lot of things that we need to explore together, Product and DMC, in case we have a good cooperation, so we will lose nothing.
実は同い年なんですけど、僕には持ってない明るさを持っててですね、現場が常になんかもうあゆの周りは笑ってるような印象をずっと受けてます。
Very supportive and also give me not only me all member if ada issue together helping for troubleshooting.
We focus on our previous mistake we do as our PPC list production preparation. Avoid to repeat the same mistake again. So that one is our focus item during development for this TRAZ model.
Important element to make sure our quality, our delivery and our safety in a good achievement. So we focus for SOP completion and SOP readiness and SOP following.
From every stages of the development, we need to have a quick and fast and efficient countermeasure if the problem found. The main key for this to overcome the challenge is communication between the parties and also proper planning towards the implementation of the countermeasure problem. So currently I already communicated with my DMC ED counterpart, Iwaishi-san. So during this timing and also during the early development, design development, he gave me strong support and also sharing very wide full of knowledge in terms of process and also design wise. I would like to thank all members and especially R&D management for giving me the opportunity for this involving in this project, and Yoshi-san, I'd like to thank from my deeply heart for the support and also the knowledge that he shared.
In this project, we are involved in all departments from R&D, PVM, production, and even our suppliers. We set up a platform so that we can meet together when we call OBEA meeting. So from this OBEA, we can share the knowledge and everybody can understand what is happened to the department and what we can contribute to support them to make sure that everybody in this group will be growing together to solve our any related issues.
From DNC, they are coming here to support us and join all the Gemba and SIK activity just to get exact information what's going on in product side so that they can take the necessary action. It was nice.
私は今年の1月からプログラムの方に出向させていただき、最終の試作段階からこのプロジェクトに入りました。そこから彼に対してのサポートとか助言というところを行わせていただいています。
Kase-san, support us and contact AIC in Japan so then we can clear the way we can manage the issues correctly.
現場のマネージメントだったり人のモチベーションアップ、そういったところにやはり長けていったので、お互いそういった形で協力しながらプロジェクトを進めたと思います。で、共通していることは、お互い現地現物にこだわり、ワンチームで現場が困らないように一緒に活動できたことが良かったことだと思います。Thank you.
Thank you very much.